Before you begin, use the installation guide to verify you have all the contents required for this installation. If anything is missing, please contact Promethean Technical Customer Support. Perform a risk assessment to safely assemble and install this product. You may require additional help. First, align the holes on the stand column with the holes on the base. Attach them with hex screws. It may help to tighten by hand first and secure them with an Allen key. The side with the indentation is the back of the column. You will insert cable guards here at the end. Next, attach the adapter to the stand column. Pay attention to this hole throughout the installation and ensure screws do not fall inside. Now, determine which of the 3 predetermined heights you want to use. They are indicated as high, medium, and low in the installation guide. The table on page 6 should help you decide which holes to align with the adapter. When you've decided, attach the L bracket in the designated holes using hex screws and washers. The washer should go on the inside of the L bracket. Next, attach the VESA mount to the L bracket with screws and washers. There are 2 rows of holes on both sides of the mount. To secure the top, insert the screws into the bottom row. To secure the bottom, insert the screws into the top row. Now that the installation is completed, insert the cable guards. Pinch the sides together and slide to the desired position on the back of the stand column. Our support site is always here whenever you need assistance. Browse the product pages or do a search to find specific articles and videos to help answer your questions anytime. Thank you for watching.